What if I told you your brain was lying to you? Your brain is like a circuit switch. Once you believe something, truly believe it, you begin to embody it. You don't just act the part, you become the part. Imagine this. You wake up from a coma, no memory of your past, and someone tells you, you were a Navy SEAL. Do you think you'd carry yourself the same way? As if someone told you you were a piano teacher? Of course not. You'd walk differently. You'd talk differently. You'd hold yourself to a higher standard. Why? Because belief shapes behavior. Identity drives action. That's the secret no one tells you. Being successful in life isn't luck. It's not about talent alone. It's about the belief system you carry, the truth you repeat in your mind every single day. If you believe, you are great. You act with certainty. You speak with strength. You move with confidence. You use your real voice, not a fake one. You become more passionate, more real, more powerful. But when you're unsure of who you are, you hesitate, you second guess, and your dreams remain. Dreams. Even the most successful people you look up to, they have doubts, they have fears. They fight battles inside their minds every day. But here's the difference. They don't stay there. They override their fear with action, with mindset, with discipline. They train their mind to believe, because when the wiring is right, the signal is clear, the mission is locked in. And the most important wiring? How you think when your effort is low. Ask yourself, what am I thinking about? When I give 50%? When I start slacking? Am I thinking about the opportunity or the obligation? That mindset, that one shift, changes everything. If you see your goal as a burden, you'll drag your feet. You'll do just enough to get by. But if you see it as a blessing, you'll chase it like your life depends on it. You'll give it everything you've got. When people ask me, how do you stay fired up, E.T.? How do you keep grinding even when it's hard? My answer is simple. I'm focused on the opportunity. Every single morning, I wake up thinking, I get to do this. Not, I have to. Not, I'm forced to. I get this moment. I get this chance. I'm alive. And that's enough reason to go all in. You want a new life? You want to break through? You want to do what you've never done? Be what you've never been? Then change your mentality. Because when you change how you think, you change how you act. And when you change how you act, you change your life. This is your opportunity. Don't waste it.